Article 370 of the Indian Constitution used to give special status to the region of Jammu and Kashmir. 1. The article was drafted in Part 21 of the Constitution, Temporary, Transitional, and Special Provisions. 2. The Constituent Assembly of Jammu and Kashmir, after its establishment, was empowered to recommend the articles of the Indian Constitution that should be applied to the state or to abrogate the Article 370 altogether. After the J&K Constituent Assembly later created the state's constitution and dissolved itself without recommending the abrogation of Article 370, the article was deemed to have become a permanent feature of the Indian Constitution. 3.4. This article, along with Article 35A, defined that the J&K state's residents live under a separate set of laws, including those related to citizenship, ownership of property, and fundamental rights, as compared to residents of other Indian states. 5. As a result of this provision, Indian citizens from other states cannot purchase land or property in Jammu and Kashmir. 6. On August 5, 2019, the President of India Ram Nath Kovind issued a constitutional order revoking the 1954 order, and making all the provisions of the Indian Constitution applicable to Jammu and Kashmir. The order rendered the Article 370 and Article 35A of the Indian Constitution ineffective. 789, Home Minister Amit Shah introduced the resolution in the upper house of the Parliament, Rajya Sabha, seeking to reorganize the state with Jammu and Kashmir serving as a union territory and Ladakh region as a separate union territory. 10.